For those juggling multiple computers, especially with dual monitors, the clickfish USB 3.0 HDMI KVM switch might just be the answer to workspace clutter and inefficiency. This 4-in-2 out KVM switch allows control of up to 4 computers or laptops using a single keyboard, mouse, and dual monitor setup. It's a definite plus for anyone working from home or needing to manage multiple systems simultaneously. One of the key features is its support for HDMI dual screen display. However, it's important to note that this functionality relies on the connected PCs also supporting dual or multi-display outputs. Assuming the computers are equipped for it, the KVM switch enables seamless sharing of 2 monitors across all 4 connected systems. The inclusion of EDID emulation is a significant advantage. This technology simulates the display's EDD, storing resolution and refresh rate information. This prevents the common issue of windows rearranging themselves every time you switch between computers. The EDD feature also automatically identifies the optimal resolution for the connected monitors, saving time and hassle. In terms of display quality, the KVM switch supports a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 Hz, adhering to the HDMI 2.0 protocol. It's also backward compatible with lower resolutions. To achieve the maximum 4K at 60 Hz output, both the computer's graphics card and the monitors must support it. The switch also provides separate audio and microphone outputs, catering to users who require dedicated audio connections. The clickfish KVM switch features USB 3.0 ports, ensuring fast data transfer speeds for connected peripherals. It operates on a 5-volt power supply and uses a rocker-style switch for selecting the desired computer. The device is constructed with copper and utilizes a plug-in connector type. Its compact dimensions make it easy to integrate into any workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.